Nothing but a beauty queen. She make it look so easy. No one else can compare. She know what she doing. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia, and today's video we're getting ready to do some vacation prep. I'm about to run to get my toes done. Okay, so I got my nails done the other day. Can you guys see? What's up? Focus. Ooh. So my birthday is in 3 days, and yeah, I have to go get my feet done. Actually, let me not show you because it's nasty work down here. I'm about to go get my feet done and then go to Target because I have to get some things that I need for the trip and to stock up on some stuff for the house. But I really don't want to go to Target. I had to go work out this morning and I kind of just don't feel like going to Target. So I don't know. We're going to see. Then, because I might just do Instacart. But before that, today is Wednesday, September 4th. And I have to go ship out some orders that I got this morning. I'm literally printing them out right now. So, not this shit printed out backwards. You guys see it? Well, let me not show the address. But yeah, I'm literally printing out some labels now. And then the nail salon that I go to is right next door to the post office. So I'm gonna ship this off to the post office and then get my nails done, and then we will decide if we want to walk across the street to Target, because everything is like literally in the same vicinity that we're going to. So I can either walk across the street to Target or we can Instacart. I'm not sure yet. But then I want to buy me a drone, so I don't know. I looked at drones this morning on Amazon. The one that I want is not available to ship by tomorrow because I leave on Friday, which is the day before my birthday. And yeah, so they have one in store, and I think it's too late for me to order the one online in order for it to get here tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna go to the DGI store right here in Wynwood and pick one up. I'm not really in the mood, like not in the mood, but I don't know if you guys know, like I'm just not a birthday person, so like I'm trying to get myself there. But yeah, we're gonna do that. That's today. And then I guess I'm gonna show you guys what some of my outfits are gonna be, and then we're gonna pack, and then it's time to go. When I get home, I'm gonna clean and I'll show you guys my outfits so we can pack, and then we'll be on our way to our vacation. Comment down below and let me know where you guys think we are going. Okay.
Nothing's in my ear, you know that I'll enjoy. What you talking, not a problem, cause I handle yours. 50 stacks of pocket, really just for amateurs. Clicking on your neck, might wake up pissing in a cup. Brugella bottles on ice just for me to bust. When you do it like I do, I make you fall in love. Never slipping, but the difference is the all above.
I ask is that you hold it down to me, cause you told me you would be my everything. If it's love, then maybe put it on me. We could hustle this together, you and me, cause I told you I could be everything. If it's nothing, baby, put it on me. Yeah.
Kissing on you might create some freaky scenes. Playing in your weed before I spark my weed. Fuck you on the beach, then order Uber Eats. Come to the crib in Lamborghini trucks to lose my keys. Do that do, she do it big, the stack just for the wig. Tinted windows on the bed, Richard on the wrist. Look at how I live, this young nigga rich. A car wash every day, that dirty money bliss. Cocaine residue all on my Fenty shoes. Wanna see you shine as if we win or lose.
Okay guys, so we just got back. I mean, not TJ Maxx, Trader Joe's, and I got these little flowers because I have not had flowers in my home in a very long time, and I just need some fresh liveliness in the home. I'm actually gonna order a plant in a couple of weeks. I just want to get more settled into my spot before I start ordering plants because I'm not a green thumb and I'm not really a good plant mom. So, but let me show you guys what I got because I'm about to eat something because I'm starving, and then I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my lashes. But I got this. I got this. I got these, which I had before. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. I'm trying to debate how I want to make this right now. Or if I want to make this, the truffle mushroom pasta, because I do want some pasta right now. I don't know. And then I got this type of rice. I'm not even a rice eater, but this one has edamame tofu and I don't know how you say it, hajaki seaweed. So yeah, we're gonna put this away. We're gonna eat, and then I'm gonna holler at you guys when it's time for me to do my lashes. I want you guys to see this nut. Get down. Why did she do that on my couch? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to the channel. I'm so happy about my new flowers. I think I mentioned earlier today, I'd be so down. I don't know what's been going on lately, but these flowers make me feel happy. And that made me a little drained, but you know, I feel better. I'm about to smoke some hookah. But yeah, I'm actually excited for this trip. This year has drained me, okay? I'm gonna do a solo trip. I'm gonna pop out, show myself, love myself. Okay, so we got a little Sephora haul for the trip. Things that we need. What? Oh. Okay, so I wanted to try this because this, everybody is talking about this. So I can't wait to try this. It is a mattifying waterproof setting spray. This little thing was $17. I actually thought it was gonna be bigger than this, but. And then I got the product Paradox, just 2 small versions because Yeah, I needed to re-up. But if you want to gift it to me, ship it to the shop. Address is on Google. Stuff smells so good. I'm gonna take this with me on my trip. Probably gonna wear this as my birthday scent. So good. Then I got, because I needed some more Fenty primer. If you guys watched my last YouTube video, I was squirting for dear life. Pause. So I had to re-up on this. And I'm literally taking everything out the box and throwing the boxes away because I'm literally just re-upping on things that I use. So I'm not returning anything. And this was like one of the new things I'm trying, but I'm not gonna return it. I will just keep it for like one of the days where I'm doing heavy makeup and I need waterproof. Then I wanted to try the one size pencil, and this is in the color Coin collection. Let's open her. This is a waterproof, ultra pigmented, creamy texture, precise, defines, sculpts, and fills the lips. This is what she looks like. It's pretty cute. It's given. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. Let's see how dark it is. Oh, it's actually pretty dark. Okay. And I want to say this was $14. So that's going to be my new lip pencil. And that's it. That's all I got. And that was a whopping $110. The day just stopped.
I'm dapping up the same nigga you creeping on me with. We thought we got past that. You told me that was her last time. I thought you got past that. Your ass getting mad right. You see you got a new man and a little one on the way too. I remember not having no car, but for you I'm on the way through. Hit that happen to you. I said it to you, they said your nigga killed you. So many memories. No type of Facebook, just look at that whole mess. I was sounding Houston, I would breathe now on the table. I'm not being this trash, just know that when you're brother, we the first ain't that ever took serious enough for us to be in the bus. I'm not a fool, go stay in shoe, we not a couple. Running your purse, you fucked around and dropped the rubber, put it fuck. You my bitch, and we be fucking around every time. Bitch, who this fuck?
Okay, so now I'm about to shower and then we're gonna do the lashes. Thank God it's not too much to fill in, so it really shouldn't take long, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take my wig off now. Where's my alcohol? I'm gonna take my wig off now because oh, don't need no alcohol, because I like to get all the glue balls off and then do my lashes after versus doing my lashes and then dealing with glue balls, because then sometimes they can fall on the lashes and we don't want to deal with that. So I'm gonna come back when it's time to do eyelashes, or maybe I'll just come back when the lashes are done. Let's see. Yeah, that's really it. It's really the look. So for one of my looks, I have like this cute flower claw clip that I'm gonna clip right here. Like imagine a flower claw clip right here. Not to toot my own horn.
is the joy that you cannot wait. And the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy.